Hi, in the previous video we talked about different data types in Python. We talked about numbers, strings, lists. In this video we'll be talking more about lists. So we'll discuss how to access a list, updating elements of a list, deleting elements from a list, and then basic operations on lists. So let's start. I'll open command prompt by writing cmd, open Jupyter notebook from command prompt, then start a new Jupyter notebook, create a list. So we'll name it as my list 1. So list is created with square brackets, and then any numbers or strings, any data type inside it. So I will cat ABC 12 13 and shift enter. So my list 1 is created. I can look at it by writing my list 1. Now if I want to access any element of this list, how do I do that? So first I need to know indexing. Indexing will start in Python with 0. So index for 3 is 0, for 5 it is 1, for 7 it is 2, for 8 it is 3, and so on. So I want to access apple. So first I need to know the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Index for apple is 4. So I need to write the list name my list 1 square bracket and then index of apple 4. So I get apple. If I want to get ABC, then index of ABC is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my list 1 square bracket 6 and I get ABC. If I want to get multiple elements like apple, cat and ABC, all the strings from this, how do I do that? First, name of the list, my list 1 square brackets 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4th, 5th and 6th index I want. So I will write 4 till 6. But hold on, this index second option 6 is not included in this code. So if I write 4 to 6, 6 will be omitted and you will get only 4th and 5th. See, you get only apple and cat. So if I want to get the 6th place as well or 6th index as well, I will have to write +1 like 7. So now I get ABC also. So remember, this is not included. So if I want from 4th till 6th, I will have to write 7. If I want from 4th index till 8th index, I will have to write 4 colon 9. So it is always +1. Now I want to update the elements of a list. So first let's look at the list again. So this is my list. Now if I want to remove or replace this apple with banana, how do I do that? So I'll write my list name 1 square brackets and then index of apple 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4. And I want to replace this. So equal to, and what should I replace with? Banana and shift enter. Now if I look at my list 1 again, it should be updated. Yeah, so now apple is updated with banana. Now if I want to remove this cat or remove this ABC with a dog, how do I do that? My list 1 square brackets index of ABC 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, it should be replaced with is equal to dog. So if I get my list again, see, ABC is replaced with dog. Similarly, if I want to delete an element from the list. How do I do that? I need to write keyword delete, del for delete, write the name of the list, my list 1, and then which index I want to delete. So suppose I want to delete this 8. So index of 8 is 0, 1, 2, 3. So I'll write 3 here, shift enter. Now let's look at the list. So 8 is removed from the list. So this is how we update or delete an element from a list. Now some basic operations on the list. This one. So if I want to know how many elements are there in my list, I should use the function len, and inside that I can write my list, the name of the list, and enter. So there are 8 elements in my list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is how I get number of elements inside my list. Now let me define a new list. My list 2 is equal to 22, 33, 44, 55. Shift enter. Let's look at it. Yeah, so this is my second list. Now if I add these two lists and make a new list, my list 3 is equal to the addition of the two lists, my list 1 plus my list 2. Let's see what is created. My list 3. So what it has done is it has concatenated or combined both the lists that are added here. So this addition does nothing but the concatenation of the two lists into one. So see, look at the elements: 3, 5, 7, banana, cat, dog, 12, 13 from list 1 till here, 12, 13, and then 22, 33, 44, 45, 22, 33, 40, 45. So addition does nothing but the concatenation. And then multiplication. So if I say my list 2 multiply by 2, let's see what does it do. So what does it do is it just repeats the my list 2 times. I've multiplied it with 2, so it will repeat it 2 times and give me a new list which is nothing but 2 times of my list 2. So 22, 33, 44, 55, 22, 33, 44, 55. So my list is repeated 2 times inside this list. If I make it as 3, it will be repeated 3 times inside a single list. Now if I want to check, so let's look at my list 2. It is 23, 33, 44, 45. Now if I want to check any number or any string is present inside this list or not. So suppose if I say 3 is present inside this list or not. So how do I do that? I'll write 3 in and the name of the list. So I'm just saying whether 3 is in my list 2 or not. So it is saying false. Why? Because 3 is not there in this list. If I say 33 in my list 2, and it says true. So this is how I check whether an element is present inside the list or not. So that is all for this video. We'll be catching up in the next video with some more properties and functions or methods that can be applied on lists in Python. Thanks a lot for watching.